Hello students, welcome to your mathematics class. Today in this video, you will learn about division of fractions. Now let us first know about reciprocal of a fraction. What do you mean by reciprocal of a fraction? Reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging its numerator and denominator. For example, reciprocal of 3/7 is obtained by interchanging its numerator and denominator. That means in place of its numerator we will write 7 and in place of denominator we will write 3. So that is by inverting the fraction we get the reciprocal of that fraction. So reciprocal of 3/7 is 7/3. Now there is an important point that reciprocal of 0 does not exist because division by 0 is undefined. For example, what is the reciprocal of 0/5? So reciprocal of 0/5 does not exist. So we can say that every non-zero fraction has a reciprocal. Since every non-zero fraction has a reciprocal, so the reciprocal of a non-zero fraction a by b is the fraction b by a. That is, by inverting the fraction we get the reciprocal of the fraction. So reciprocal of a by b is b by a. For example, reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3 and reciprocal of 4/3 is 3/4. So that from this example we can see that if you multiply 3/4 by 4/3, we get the product as 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. So this is coming 1. So that means the product of 3/4 and 4/3 is equal to 1. So we can say that 3/4 and also 3/4 is the reciprocal of 4/3 and 4/3 is the reciprocal of 3/4. So 3/4 and 4/3 are the reciprocals of each other. So two non-zero fractions are said to be the reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. Now let us see some important points that product of a non-zero fraction and its reciprocal is always 1. Let us take any non-zero fraction, for example 5/7. So the reciprocal of 5/7 is 7/5. So their product is coming here 1. So a product of a non-zero fraction and its reciprocal is always 1. If we take any fraction, non-zero fraction as a by b, then its reciprocal is b by a. So their product is coming here 1. So product of a non-zero fraction and its reciprocal is always 1. Come to the second point, reciprocal of 1. We can write 1 as 1/1. So its reciprocal becomes again 1/1. That is 1. So reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now let us see the third point. If a number is greater than 1, then its reciprocal is less than 1. Let us take a number which is greater than 1. For example, if we take an improper fraction, say 18/5. It is an improper fraction and its value is greater than 1. So its reciprocal is reciprocal of an improper fraction, that is 18/5 is here 5/18. Here 5/18 is a proper fraction whose value is less than 1. Come to the fourth point. If a number is less than 1 and greater than 0, then its reciprocal is greater than 1. So if a number is less than 1 and greater than 0, that means if we take any proper fraction, for example 2/3 is a proper fraction whose value is less than 1 but greater than 0, then its reciprocal is greater than 1. So reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. So whose value is greater than 1 and which is an improper fraction. So reciprocal of a fraction a by b is same as the multiplicative inverse of a by b. For example, multiplicative inverse of a by b is b by a. Also, reciprocal of a by b is b by a. So multiplicative inverse of a fraction is same as the reciprocal of that fraction. Now let us do one example that find the reciprocal of 4 whole of 3 by 7. That is a mixed fraction. So let us convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 4 sevens are 28 plus 3, it becomes 31. So 4 whole of 3 by 7 is equal to 31 by 7. So reciprocal of 4 whole of 3 by 7 is 4 whole of 3 by 7 is equal to 31 by 7 is 7 by 31. So reciprocal of 4 whole of 3 by 7, which is equal to 31 by 7, is 7 by 31. Now let us see how to divide a fraction by another fraction. Division of a fraction a by b by a non-zero fraction c by d is defined as the product of a by b with the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of c by d. So here a by b division c by d, a by b is called the dividend and c by d is called the divisor. So a by b division c by d is equal to a by b multiplied by reciprocal of c by d, or we can say dividend multiplied by reciprocal of the divisor. That is the product of the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. So a by b division c by d is equal to a by b into reciprocal of c by d. So this we can write it as a by b multiplied by reciprocal of c by d is d by c is equal to a into d by b into c, that is ad by bc. Let us take one example, that 3 by 5 division 1 by 2. So here first we will write 3 by 5, that is the dividend. Then we put the multiplication sign. Then we find the reciprocal of the divisor. That is 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1. So now we simply multiply them. That means 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 5 multiplied by 1. So this becomes 6 by 5. Which is the required question when we divide 3 by 5 by 1 by 2. Now let us consider some type, that division of a fraction by a whole number. So here a by b is a fraction and c is a whole number. So first we have to make the whole number a fraction. That is by placing a whole number over 1. So a by b division c is equal to a by b division, here c we will write it as c by 1. So placing a whole number over 1, so it becomes a fraction, that is c by 1. Now we will follow the rule that how to divide a fraction by another fraction. So in that case we write the dividend first, that is a by b. Then we put the sign of multiplication. Then we write the reciprocal of the divisor. That is, this is the divisor c by 1. So its reciprocal is reciprocal of c by 1. So that is equal to a by b multiplied by 1 by c. It becomes 1 by c because reciprocal of c by 1 is 1 by c. Now this is equal to a into 1 by b into c. That means a by bc. So we get the result as a by bc. For example, if we consider one example, that 5 by 7 division 5. So here 5 by 7 is a fraction and 5 is a whole number. So to divide a fraction by a whole number, first we have to convert this whole number to a fraction. So let us write it as 5 by 7 division, that this 5 we will write it as 5 by 1. So now we will write the dividend first, that is 5 by 7. Then we put the multiplication sign and we write the reciprocal of 5 by 1. So reciprocal of 5 by 1 becomes 1 by 5. So now we will write 5 multiplied by 1 by 7 multiplied by 5. So this 2 5 will cancel out. So this becomes 1 by 7, which is the required result when we divide 5 by 7 by 5. Now let us consider the case that division of a fraction by a mixed fraction. So here 3 by 5 division 3 whole of 1 by 5. 3 by 5 is a fraction and 3 whole of 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction. In this case, first we have to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So let us first convert it. So 3 by 5 division 3 whole of 1 by 5 becomes 16 by 5. Now this becomes again a fraction. So division of a fraction by another fraction. So here what we will do, 3 by 5, we will write the dividend as what is given here. Then we put the multiplication sign. Then we write the reciprocal of the divisor. So reciprocal of the divisor, this is the divisor. So its reciprocal will be 5 by 16. So this is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 whole divided by 5 multiplied by 16. So this 2 will cancel out. So this becomes 3 by 16, which is coming here a proper fraction. Now let us consider another type, that division of a mixed fraction by a mixed fraction. That is, for example, 5 whole of 1 by 3 division 2 whole of 2 by 3. Both here dividend and divisor are mixed fraction. So in this case, first we have to convert each of them to an improper fraction. So let us first convert them to an improper fraction. So this becomes 5 3s are 15 plus 1 means 16 by 3 division 2 3s are 6 plus 2, that means 8 by 3. So now both the mixed fraction is converted to improper fractions. So now we have to divide them. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So first we write the dividend as usual, that is 16 by 3. Then we put the multiplication sign. Then we find the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 8 by 3. Its reciprocal is 3 by 8. So this becomes 16 into 3 by 3 into 8, or simply we can directly cancel here. So 3 will cancel out and we know 8 2s are 16. So the result is coming here 2. So the result is coming here 2. Now let us consider another type, that division of a whole number by a mixed fraction. So in this case, the divisor is given mixed fraction. So let us convert it into a improper fraction. So this becomes 16 division 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16 by 5. Also we can convert the whole number to a fraction by placing the whole number over 1. So it becomes 16 by 1 division 16 by 5. Now both dividend and divisor are fractions. So let us divide them. So this we can write it as 16 by 1 multiplied by reciprocal of the divisor, that is 5 by 16, as 16 and 16, this 2 will cancel out. So here we are getting 5 by 1, which is equal to 5. So the result is coming here 5. Now let us consider another type, that division of a whole number by a fraction. Here the divisor is given a proper fraction. So let us convert the whole number to a fraction by placing the whole number over 1. So we get here 25 by 1 division 5 by 13. Now both becomes a fraction, both are fractions now. So 25 by 1 multiplied by 13 by 5. So we know 5 5s are 25. So this becomes 5 multiplied by 13 by 1, that is 65 by 1. We can write it as is equal to 65. So the result is coming here 65. Now let us do one example, that 2 whole of 1 by 7 division 15 by 25 under bracket, then division, then under bracket 4 division 2 by 5. So let us first do the division which is given in the bracket first. So this is equal to, now 2 whole of 1 by 7 becomes 15 by 7. Then we put the division sign, then 15 by 25. Division. Now 4 division 2 by 5. Here 4 we will write in the form of fraction, that is 4 by 1. Then division sign becomes multiplication and 2 by 5 becomes 5 by 2. So this is equal to now 15 by 7. This division we will write as multiplication sign, and the divisor we will write the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 25 by 15. Then division. Here 2 2s are 4 we know. So 5 2s are 10. 10 by 1 we are getting here. So again this 15 and 15 will cancel out. So this is equal to 25 by 7. Division 10 by 1. Now again here the divisor is 10 by 1. So let us write the dividend first, that is 25 by 7. Now we put the multiplication sign in place of division and we write the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 1 by 10. So we know 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. So this is coming here 5 multiplied by 1 by 7 multiplied by 2, that is 5 by 14. So which is a proper fraction. So we get the result here 5 by 14. Now let us do one example that Gopal uses 5 by 7 meter of cloth to stitch a shirt. How many shirts can he make with 2 whole of 1 by 7 meter cloth? Now in this question, Gopal uses 5 by 7 meter of cloth to make one shirt. That means cloth required to make one shirt is equal to 5 by 7 meter. But here in this question it is asked that how many shirts can he make with 2 whole of 1 by 7 meter cloth. That means the total available cloth is here 2 whole of 1 by 7 meter. So the number of shirts he can make is equal to total cloth available division the cloth required for one shirt. So the total cloth available here, it is given 2 whole of 1 by 7 meter, and the cloth required for one shirt, that is given here 5 by 7 meter. So division 5 by 7, we will not write here meter because both the units are meter, so they will cancel out. And as we are finding the number of shirts, so there will be no units. So this we will divide. So one is mixed fraction, another is a proper fraction. So let us convert the mixed fraction into a fraction, into an improper fraction. So this becomes 15 by 7 division 5 by 7. So that is equal to 15 by 7 multiplied by 7 by 5. That is the reciprocal of the divisor. So we know 7 will cancel out and 5 3s are 15. So the result is coming here 3. So the number of shirts he can make is equal to 3. So in this way you try some questions which is given in your book. I hope all of you understood whatever discussed today in this video. So thank you all of you and have a nice day.